Experiencing Wisconsin Sketchbook Take 2. I really wanted to show you guys the rest of this. So you've seen cover, back cover, etc. pages. Oh, wait. This is where you were last. Crazy, cool, old dude. Man, let me put this down a little bit. Now, we move on. Charcoal about love. Love, very important to me. Your love, very important in this picture. Coffee cappuccino. I really like coffee. I thought this was a cool, like, smoke shape. I drew it in charcoal because I like charcoal. Contour line work for Principles of Design, a theater class at Parkside. Line work, super dumb. More line work. 3 is my favorite number. I like swirly things. My heart has been captured by you. I like swirly things. I hate this picture. This picture, I don't know. This is a concept sketch for a set design that you will see later for Principles of Design. This is a pencil sketch of a concept that I got from someone we all know. How wonderful. Some more concept sketches for a set design. Set design concept sketches. This one looks like a dinosaur. More love. Staircases. Ooh, my computer got dark. There we go. The start of set designs for King Lear. This is a flower. This is a heart. These are thumbnail sketches for King Lear. The start of my crazy, crazy, crazy concepts. Lots of stairs, eyes, and weird shapes. This is a concept that I had for King Lear, like idea of perceiving this. My charcoal human being that bled over onto the other page. Always good. A stupid sketch of my room. Don't like it, but it tells you what my room looked like. Some color work that is done. A charcoal sketch of a picture. Coffee cup on a little platter on a table thing, I think. I don't know. Then, take one of my favorite paintings, A Kiss by Klimt, put it into 4 different squares. Monochromatic, the actual colors, complementary, and analogous. My favorite part, the green people. Then, more taking of pictures and picking out different things to make a big composition, which I don't have. But it was all about composition work, combining different things. This is another sketch of nonsense. Then, the start of costume design work. Learning how to draw people. Learning how to draw people. Drawing naked people. Drawing naked people. My favorite man sketch. Drawing a few less naked people before drawing my first design, which I'm not really super fond of. But there's some more. Some Arabic designs for my Arabian Nights play that I did. More designs. More designs. Then a drawing of a man that I wrote about in this poem. I can't draw your image. Some weird charcoal lines. The beginning of some serious sketching for thumbnail sketches of a set design. Trying to finalize it at the end of the semester. 3 final thumbnail sketches, set designs for King Lear. third of costume designing. Some costume designs. This guy's a cool guy. He's got a snaz. I can't speak. He's got a cool suit thing. This is the girl that I based my actual one off of. Some more girly sketches. Some more girly sketches. One day I didn't feel like an actor, so I drew a stage. And then I started to draw a comic with pastels. And now we are back to the beat poem I wrote tonight in my sketchbook, Fresh Raw. And this has been Sketchbook from Wisconsin. Thank you. Have a nice day.